Do you want to join new communities on Discord but don't know where you can find servers or communities to join on Discord app? In this video, I will show you how to do this. Just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Discord. Here in this first page, they show you just this sign of plus. But this sign is for creating your own server. So if you want to create your own server, you can create it here. To choose the template or categories here, what category you want, study group or school club or anything you want here, and then you can click on join a server. But now I will show you how you can find other servers or other communities to join. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google Chrome. Then you will search about something called Discover Discord or Discord servers. You can click here and write Discover servers, then you can search about it here. You will enter to the first window of Discord servers home, as you see here. And as you see here, they will show you this page of discover your next favorite server, and you can tap here to choose categories. You can choose any category you want: gaming, entertainment, education, music, or anything. For example, let's choose education, and here you will find a lot of servers you can choose from them here. As you see, you can also choose to click here on next. There are many servers. You can choose whatever you want here. Let's go back and choose the first one, as you see here, and then you can click on join server, and then they will show you this page, and you will click here on accept invite. When you click here on accept invite, you will automatically enjoy to this community or to this server, but it depends on every servers, because some servers need conditions to join, and for these servers you can just tap to accept invite, and then when you accept the invite, you automatically go to these communities and find them here in this page, as you see. So there are many servers here I joined in this page. So that's it. This is how you can find other servers or communities to join on Discord app. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.